jump straight in, start draining power steering fluid, and then water pipes off the engine. Yeah, plan today is basically going to be take engine out, find out why we can't split gearbox. We're obviously missing a bolt somewhere, but just can't find it. Then take gearbox and transmission off, just to double check that it is actually crank seal that's gone. We're fairly sure, but just going to check before we order it. Engine mount completely off, lower engine down on jacks. We're just stuck with one stubborn fuel pipe. We've been working on for a while, and once this is out, that should be engine completely free. That's engine out, down up floor now. We're going to leave that there, lift chassis up, and then drag engine through. How much room do you need? Can you get in there, put your foot up, back your hand for a lot? You know, go into the top jack, find them electric, so you set up the box there. Get stay off back, keep it backwards. That's it. Oh! You went. Oh, I love me foot. Might need to look out more. You need millimeters. That's it. That's all in here, video. No. Do that. it's all out, we can look round it properly. We found bolt one missing, tucked away just above transfer box. Now it's all come apart quite easily and we're ready to go. You can see gearbox come away quite easily now, and transfer box all look intact, but as you can see with gearbox here, there's most definitely oil in here, which is where my clutch should be, so my clutch is most definitely contaminated. Yeah, and now suspicions have been confirmed. It's crankshaft oil seal that's gone, so I can get that ordered. Hopefully I can get round to rebuilding this next weekend, so I'll have rebuild videos for you then. Till then, thanks for watching.